Good morning, Schrute Stock Squad. Today is Friday, March 5th, 2021. And yeah, guys, another red day. This is what it is, guys. We are going through a correction. Okay. The entire market has pulled back. Okay. Most people's portfolio is red. Okay. Now, I wanted this channel to why I came up with this, guys. So if you're new here, you're watching this video right now and you know, you're just looking at my portfolio here, guys. The whole goal of this is I wanted to document step by step, day by day, what the journey is like to go from point A to point B, and point A being wherever you are right now. So I started my portfolio just like this right over here, and then you know I kept adding money. Total, you can see, you know, I made 45% gain in you know, the last 1 year or so. But I want to show you guys point A being this, and then point B being a millionaire. And part of this involves seeing red days, green days, and everything in between, guys. So if you're new here, just if you like what I'm going to be showing you, the transparency, you know, please feel free to join in on this family. Everyone here has been super supportive, and we're really in this together. I know it's a cheesy saying, but the times I've actually wanted to say this is during this. When we start seeing red like this all over, guys, the comment section yesterday was on fire. Everybody was supporting each other. Everybody was like talking about this, and you know, just it makes you feel good knowing you're not the only one, like, you know, getting shot out here. So I made some big changes here, guys, and I want to explain what happened to my portfolio. So I ended up selling out of a lot of my positions, and I'm gonna before the comments come in about how I'm like being fake, I'm doing this. No, I'm not fake, guys. I want to explain to you my logic. I want to explain to you my logic because I know I've been telling you to just hold, and I want to explain to you what my logic has been here. Okay, and so what I did was this morning I sold out of my SOS position, Clover, and IRO. Those were huge positions I had. I took enormous losses there. Remember what I said, guys? You don't actually lose money until you sell. I actually lost money. Okay, I lost money, and I'm going to explain to you why I lost money why I chose to lose money. Okay, I chose to lose money because those stocks to me are like recovery plays. You know, they will bounce back. Oh yeah, if you look at if I just kept them and you know, I just expanded my horizon to a year and a half, 2 years, I would definitely be making money, guys. And so would you. If you just hold on to them, you're going to be making money in a year or two. The thing for me is I made this challenge to become a millionaire within 2 years by the time I hit 30. So I have a shorter time frame on this thing. And for me to be, I need to make quicker moves, okay? They may not be the safest moves, but I have to I cannot just put it here and let it grow, which is honestly the safest move. If you have if you're okay being a millionaire in 5 years, 10 years, guys, the safest move is find a couple companies that you like, that are solid, well-founded and stuff like that, and just keep adding money to them consistently, regardless if it's green or red. That's the safest and best way that you could truly actually become a millionaire. But, you know, I'm trying to do this in a little bit shorter time frame. And so, guys, what happened here is this. I sold out of IRO, I sold out of SOS, and I sold out of Clover. Okay. Now, what I did with that money is this. I have to give a real shout out to someone in this community. I would have never noticed this if it wasn't for him. D Wood, that's the subscriber name. He's been commenting. Maybe it's a girl, but they've been commenting here for last like couple days to look into this company, VST, Vistra. So I actually looked into this, and I didn't buy into it when they first mentioned it on my on the tab here, because I think they mentioned it maybe like a day or two ago, or maybe a little while. And I don't, like I said, guys, I don't like going into companies without researching it. And I did my research on Clover, I did my research on IRO, I did it on SOS, and all of my logic on that is still like, it's still substantiated. Nothing has really fundamentally changed in those companies. But the thing is when we're going through this correction, this pullback, guys, I want to put my money in a play that is as little affected by the correction as possible, if you follow what I'm saying. So now this company here, guys, this is a energy play. Okay, this is an energy company. This company, what they do is they are They're an energy leader of retail electricity, you know. So they supply electricity in Texas. And if you guys remember, like, I want to say maybe like it was less than a month ago, but remember that big winter storm they had in Texas, and like the power outages and all of that stuff, guys. That's what this company is in that market with. So they do like gas, nuclear, coal, renewables. They do a lot of things like that. And the thing here is this. This is what I noticed. So this company was, look, I just want to pull up the chart here. You can see. So it's been, you know, pretty steady, right? This right here, to me, you know what this tells me, guys? This tells me that this company is fairly like, it's not going to make some big crazy changes when things are normal. Okay, so remember back in August, September, October, the rest of the market was making crazy gains, right? Your portfolios must have been growing like crazy, right? But this company was staying steady, and I like that. I kind of like that. And now it's doing a slight. It's been growing, and then it tanked, right? I don't want to say it tanked, but it dipped. It took a big dip, and what happened was, this is why, because that's why when D Wood put this on my comment section, I didn't want to buy into it. I'm like, why would it dip so much? And now I've done my research on it, guys. I want you to see what happened here recently. They put out, you see this Q4 earnings at the bottom right? The earnings report came out on that day, and what they had to report was that, you know, they had power outages, they had a loss, they ended up having less earnings per share than expected, and then it dipped, guys. But the thing here is, look at the analyst ratings. 92% buy, and you know, you can just see this company's history. Like it's not very it doesn't fluctuate too much, you know. And in my opinion, if this was its initial trajectory right here, it was at the 24 mark. This thing is going to be able to get there fairly soon. It doesn't, quite honestly, it doesn't make a difference when it gets there and stuff like that. It's just like, this is not a company that's gonna, it doesn't make crazy changes, is what I want to say. And so as far, like, I bought it into this morning at almost $18 mark, but I'm honestly just hoping that with this company, I'm not trying to make a lot of money with it. I'm trying to just preserve whatever like I can right now from this thing. And as long as I can preserve this money, then what I want to start doing is I want to show you guys what I've been telling you is to buy the dip. Somebody made the comment yesterday. They were like, everybody keeps saying buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, but there's too many damn dips. So no, I totally understand that. It's just really funny relating to this. So guys, every day is a dip at this point. But look, we don't know when this is going to change, when the market's going to reverse itself. All I can tell you, it will happen. Please trust me, the market will correct itself. Guys, remember, Zomedica was sitting for me like 25 grand profit. Now it's half of that. Guys, the market will correct itself. This is just a wave we kind of have to ride out. Now, for me to ride out this wave, I've just decided I want to ride it out with as little turbulence as possible. I'm not looking to be green, guys. I'm not looking to be green. I'm just looking to be as little red as possible, you know? So that's what I did here. I can't tell you guys what to do. I cannot tell you what to do. If you choose to just stick and hold, guys, that's a solid, I have no issues with that, guys. If you want to just stick and hold, no issues at all. You can do that. But if you're going to panic sell and not know what you're going to do with it next, then I might want to like think a little bit, like, you know, what you're thinking about with it. And so the thing that I want to say is this, guys. I want to keep my money parked here, but while it's parked here, this is what I'm going to be looking for, guys. So all those companies I mentioned, I'm going to put them back up. So this is another one I want to put on my radar as well. HOL, let me throw that on the list. This one, so I'm going to show you buying the dip and how I plan to buy the dip accordingly. And then what was the other one? IRO. Sorry. Yep. This one I'm also going to put on my list. IRO, and then what was it? Clover. Clover's, oh, it's already on my list. IRO, Clover, and then I had SOS on there as well. I think I might, instead of SOS, I might just stick with HOL for now. Okay. Where's Clover? Okay. Okay. So guys, in my videos, I've been sharing with you like a whole bunch of information lately, new stock picks, things like that. Now, what I plan to do is this, guys. Over the next week or so, I'm not sure the amount. I wish I could give you like a specific number. Every day I'm going to put this amount or do something like that. What I'm planning to do though is, guys, I may just, once I start seeing this VST, make a little uptrend again, go back in the positive direction, then I'm going to start maybe buying a little bit of the dips. Yeah, actually, even if VST is not positive, it's okay. I might just start putting maybe like 1,000 in IRO, then 1,000 in whole, 1,000 in Clover. And then I'm telling you guys, this THBR, in my opinion, is going to be a really solid bet. This company, like I told you, semiconductor space, guys, is that's going to be the next. That's going to be the next thing. That whole reason why Tesla has dipped so much in NIO. Yeah, it's a correction, but you also have this thing as a reasoning too. Let me pull up Tesla, guys. Man, if you do not have a position in Tesla, I strongly recommend putting something in. Again, this is not financial advice, none of that. This is, guys, you're following a channel called Schrute Stocks. Come on, this is not financial advice. But if you have not made a position in Tesla yet, guys, this is a solid play, very solid move. Because if you're looking to keep something as a, for a couple of years at least, Tesla, you will be thanking yourself for doing that. Look at this, every single thing is red, guys. Red. This is, man, it's rough. I wish I had some more stuff to share with you, but that's basically what my plan is, guys. I'm gonna keep this money in VST. Of course, it dips after I buy. Guys, let me know if you also know that feeling. You buy something, you feel really good about it, and then of course it's gonna dip. But I'm not. This is no emotional. No more emotions are gonna have to get involved here, guys. IRO, HOL, Clover, and then this THBR, guys. These are gonna be my next play, and Sensonics as well. I said that's another play I like going in on as well. Those are the ones which I think the best way I need to start doing this is just averaging in, regardless of the price for that day. I think just put the money in. You know what I'm saying? So every day put in, let's say, how much do I have here? Like 50,000, well, less than that now. But if I have 50,000 sitting there, every day I think I might just have to start putting in 1,000. So every day invest 5,000 or whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Every day invest $5,000 and just write it out, regardless of the price of what it's at. Just put in 1,000, put in 1,000, put in 1,000. And then, just take it from there, because right now I can't tell you what's the best price entry, what's the best target to go in on. Quite frankly, I don't even know, to be honest. So since I don't know it, the best thing I can kind of do right now is mitigate the losses I could incur. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Oh my God. Just took a straight free fall just while recording this. That's all right. This company is it's an energy play, so these things they're very stable. The energy plays in general, guys, as long as you pick like it's not like just came out in 1 year or so. They typically end up being very stable companies. Now that's the thing, you can't expect hyper growth from a stable company like that, and I'm not expecting hyper growth out of this. I just want this to just not hit me as hard as the other place. And honestly, even with this like dip I'm talking about, guys, I'm only having a 2.2 or 2.3% loss on this right now. Let me show you where I was sitting at before. 16%, 9%, guys. I'll take 2% loss any day of the week compared to what it's been. Jeez, look at this, 1 month minus $32,000. Whew, that's hard to read. That's really hard to read. That's about everything I have for you guys. Just like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. This is a family, and I just want to let you guys know I'm here for you. You guys are here for me, and that's just how we got to play things. I wish I could tell you something better. If you have any like cash on the side, if you have anything else to do, guys, put that money in your buying power and just do what I'm saying here. Like I said, not financial advice, but put the money in day by day, regardless of the price. Don't try to time this and say this is going to be the bottom, this is going to be that. Guys, remember what I said with Bitcoin before, what my strategy is? Every day, if you have an amount you're comfortable with putting in, just put it in. regardless of the number that you're seeing. That's the way we kind of have to play things when things are looking like this. You know what I'm saying? So let's yeah, look, I have no buying power. Let's just keep this thing going, guys. All right, I'm gonna wrap this thing up before I start crying here. All right, thanks again, guys, for everything. Stay happy, stay healthy, and don't worry, we will be wealthy. All right, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.